Diego Maradona, Argentina's hero, died at 60 of a heart attack. Johan Cruyff, Dutch icon, died at 68 from lung cancer. Eusebio, Portugal's football star, died at 71 of heart failure. Franz Beckenbauer, Germany's legend, died at 78 from heart failure. Ferenc Puskás, Hungary's great, died at 79 from Alzheimer's disease. Alfredo Di Stefano, Argentine Spanish football legend, died at 88 of a heart attack. George Best, Northern Ireland's legend, died at 59 from liver failure. Garrincha, Brazil's dribbling genius, died at 49 from cirrhosis. Lev Yashin, Soviet Union's legendary goalkeeper, died at 60 from stomach cancer. Diogo Jota, Portuguese footballer, died at 29 in a car accident. Bobby Moore, England's captain, died at 51 from colon cancer. Paolo Rossi, Italy's football hero, died at 64 from lung cancer. Stanley Matthews, England's legend, died at 85 from heart disease. Just Fontaine, France's striker, died at 84 of heart failure. Raymond Kopa, France's football star, died at 85 from Alzheimer's disease. Luis Suarez Miramontes, Spain's legend, died at 88 from pancreatic cancer. Uwe Seeler, Germany's hero, died at 85 from pneumonia. Gordon Banks, England's goalkeeper, died at 81 from kidney failure. Andrés Escobar, Colombia's defender, was murdered at 27. Marc Vivien Foe, Cameroon's midfielder, died at 28 from cardiac arrest. Emiliano Sala, Argentina's striker, died at 28 in a plane crash. Antonio Puerta, Spain's player, died at 23 from cardiac arrest. Miklos Feher, Hungary's striker, died at 24 from cardiac arrest. Duncan Edwards, England's footballer, died at 21 in a plane crash. Valentino Mazzola, Italy's captain, died at 30 in a plane crash. Arthur Friedenreich, Brazil's forward, died at 77 from a heart attack. Zizinho, Brazil's legend, died at 81 from respiratory failure. Helmut Rahn, Germany's striker, died at 73 of old age. Dixie Dean, England's legend, died at 73 from a heart attack. Tom Finney, England's footballer, died at 91 after a short illness. Billy Bremner, Scotland's captain, died at 54 from a heart attack. Nat Lofthouse, England's striker, died at 85 of old age. Laurie Cunningham, England's winger, died at 33 in a car accident. Roger Byrne, England's defender, died at 28 in a plane crash. George Cohen, England's World Cup champion, died at 83 from cancer. Jack Charlton, England's World Cup winner, died at 85 from dementia. Tommy Docherty, Scotland's manager and player, died at 92 from Alzheimer's disease. Matt Busby, Scotland's football legend, died at 85 from pneumonia. Alberto Spencer, Ecuador's football icon, died at 68 from a heart attack.